All right, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Malaysia. This is KampongKu with their curry seafood fried noodle. I already got one shelled over here. These come a long way, so I don't want to waste. Chunky paste, noodle block, chow. 3 minutes, and yeah, chashu in my teeth. Anyway, yeah, curry seafood. These guys, I know these guys, and I have a feeling these folks made a winner here. They're like, yeah, we think you're gonna like that one. I've known them for quite a few years. I'm like, okay. One of them I liked, one of them I didn't like so much, but there's 3 of them, so we'll see how this is. A lot of brands come out with a range of 3 products. Did you know that? That's kind of interesting. Now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I've 8 hours until my date with the syringe people for my flu shot and my COVID booster. Yeah. We shall see how that goes. I think I'll be fine. You'll probably see me doing reviews tomorrow. You know? I just don't want to get dead arm in both of my arms. You ever get that when you get a vaccine? That's no fun. But yeah, when I got my first shot, didn't really notice anything. Second shot, I just felt all warm and sleepy and super comfy. It was like I was wearing a blanket. I just like sat on the couch and just felt all like, dirt. It was great. I really enjoyed that. If it was possible to take it recreationally, I would. So, yeah. I'll be stoked if I don't get the flu too. That's a nice set. And you don't have to pay for it. So hopefully if you're on the fence about it, you will get off that pointy electric fence and just go and get a shot. It's ridiculous. It really is. The state of the world today is absolutely crackers. You know that song. If you don't, I highly recommend Monty Python to you. Monty Python is an enjoyable British sitcom series. No, it's not a sitcom. It's a comedy troupe. But anyways, if you don't know what Monty Python is, go watch something else. I don't want to talk to you. Or Blackadder or Red Dwarf. Faulty Towers. There's a freaking show for you. Oh yeah. See, I grew up in a little fishing town named Anacortes in the northwestern tip of the United States. And well, we were also right next to Canada. There's a ferry that would take you up to Victoria, BC, that I would see out our window on the water. Anyways, we got Canadian TV and US TV. So we got CBC, we got CBT, CBUT, CHEK, CTV. We got a whole bunch of channels. And growing up, I'd watch the US Sesame Street, I'd watch the Canadian Sesame Street. Yes, there's a difference. There's a lot more French. The cartoons are different. We'd have stuff like Rocket Robin Hood. Like, what is that? Oh, it was rad. And if you know about a channel called MeTV, that used to be KVOS TV Victoria Bellingham. And Bellingham is in Washington State, Victoria's in Canada. So you'd get a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You'd get like commercials that would be for places in the States, and then you get commercials for stuff that was up in just over the border. Because if you drive north of Bellingham, you get to you'll hit Surrey, and you'll hit Delta and Coquitlam and Richmond. In Richmond, that's where I would love to be right now with my family. That would make me as pleased as could be, but you have to do so much to go travel up there right now, what with the pandemic, and it's just not worth it. But it's a wonderful place. If things ever get back to normal. People always keep talking about, well, when things kind of settle down, it's like, why do you think they're going to? Why does everybody think there's an end? I personally, I don't think it's going to end. I think it's just going to evolve and get worse. But I think what will change is how, I think we'll probably go through a stage worse than what we are right now with like people and paranoia and stuff like that. And then they'll basically, by getting like levels of violence, I think they're like, the government is trying to control us and blah, 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 stuff like that. They'll, those parties that really believe that will do things that'll make it so the government has to step in and do things that are very like draconian. It's like, if you want it to be mellow, then be mellow. We'll see. Who knows? I really don't know. I'm not an expert on much of anything. But I do like noodles. Don't you? Well, let's try this. I'm an expert on my taste buds. And as I said before, I will say again, all reviews are based on my personal taste. So, cheers. That's neat. Wow. It's spicy. That's for dang sure. And it is chunky. You got like lots of dried shrimp in there. Wowee. That's really good. It's one of those compelling kind of flavors that make me go, oh. Yeah. Wow. Very Malaysian, very strong flavor. Wow. They were right. And they said, oh, I think you're gonna like that curry seafood one over there, you ramen raider, you. I think I do. Wow. Nice heat level. Groovy flavor. That noodle works. I just dropped sesame seeds all over the place. Luckily, we have a vacuum. Okay. I think the fried garlic on top would be a nice addition. Right on the fish more. And I don't know what else needs to be done. Oh, I could use some of that. Here. Here's the seasoning I really, really like. It's called shabe, but you can call it chabe, but I call it shabe. It's from Indonesia, but so that would make sense that it would be pronounced shabe. Come on, shabe. but it's just a spicy chili sauce, and it's really good on like everything. I enjoy it with a Lunchable. Yes. Yes, I do. How about that? How about that? All right, Rotato, do your stuff. Well, look who it is. It's Mimi.
And my brother, my other dad.
Yeah, he is.
Yep.
So you having a good day?
Yep.
Here, turn off your noisy thing. Turn it off.
I was watching some Abby.
Oh, okay. Well, say hi to the nice people.
Hi, nice people.
Tell them a story, really quick. A little story. No? Okay, run along. Love you. All right. Well, that one was super good. That's what I got for you for today, and there will be more to look at tomorrow. I'm sure. Yeah, the next time you see me, I will have had a booster and a flu shot. So, ooh. Now it's the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.